You're paying more at the pump, your grocery bill is creeping up again, and the stock market feels like a roller coaster. But this isn't just normal inflation. Your wallet has officially been hijacked by geopolitics. Welcome to the 2026 oil shock. Hey everyone, if you've checked your budget recently and felt a real wave of stress, you're not alone. It's frustrating to watch everyday costs spike almost overnight. But to understand why this is happening, we need to look thousands of miles away. In late February 2026, coordinated airstrikes on Iran triggered a global chain reaction, and in response, the Strait of Hormuz was effectively shut down. Just like that, the global economy flipped. So why does this tiny stretch of water matter so much? The Strait of Hormuz is only about 33 kilometers wide at its narrowest point, but it carries nearly 20% of the world's oil supply. Think of it as the main artery of the global economy. Now, here's the problem. With rising conflict, ships are no longer moving safely through it. Oil tankers are being delayed, rerouted, or completely halted. That means millions of barrels of oil are suddenly missing from the market. And when supply drops fast but demand stays the same, prices explode. Oil jumped from around $70 to over $110 almost overnight. But how does that affect you directly? You might be wondering, doesn't the US produce its own oil? It does. But oil is a global market. A shortage anywhere means higher prices everywhere. Here's how that hits your daily life. First, gas prices rise immediately. Your commute becomes more expensive overnight. Second, inflation comes back because everything you buy has to be transported. When fuel costs rise, shipping costs rise, and companies pass those costs on to you. And then there's the bigger problem, stagflation. High inflation combined with slow economic growth. Central banks can't easily cut interest rates because prices are rising again. That's what makes this situation so difficult. But here's something different about this crisis. Unlike the past, we now have alternatives: solar energy, wind power, electric vehicles. They're no longer futuristic ideas, they're real and growing fast. And as oil becomes more expensive and more unstable, the world may accelerate its shift toward cleaner energy that isn't controlled by geopolitics or narrow shipping routes. The 2026 oil shock is a reminder of how connected our world really is. A conflict thousands of miles away can impact your daily expenses, your savings, even your future. We don't know how long this will last, but understanding what's happening helps you stay prepared. Stay smart, watch your spending, and don't panic over headlines. If this helped you understand what's going on, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.